So friends, in the older times, the matter of concern and problem used to be the Kemdrum Yoga. But in the modern day times, if your moon is conjunct with many planets, that is becoming a matter of concern. So let me break it down. See, the term which I used, Kemdrum Yoga, that is an astrological combination which gets formed if your moon is placed in the chart with no planet before or after. That means the house where moon is placed, a house before, a house after, there is no planetary presence. And even if moon is not even receiving any aspect from other planets, that means this is a very intense kind of Kemdrum Yoga. Now all these texts have been written at the time when a lot of emphasis was given to the community, family oriented, like you have to be a part of the group and you have to shoulder all of your responsibilities. So if someone is isolated, moon tells about your mind, and if you are detached and isolated, that has not been written in a good light in the classics, and this used to be the case in the older times. But now in the modern day times, because a lot of the people are like they choosing and they opt to be staying single. There have been those cases where people do not even want, even the married couple, they don't want to have children, and with so much dependency on the social media. So because of which now what has been seen, people in whose case their moon is conjunct with many planets, like for example, if your moon is conjunct with Mercury and Venus, and it is also receiving the aspect from Jupiter, Saturn and the Mars, so then in those cases it has been seen that rather than giving you a social personality, making you very sociable, these are those people who tend to remain very restless. Just because moon, which tells about your liking, your habits, your personality, it is being bombarded by many other external planetary influence. So what used to be the matter of concern in the older times with Kemdrum Yoga in the chart, in the modern day times, people who tend to have very hyperactive nature, they have very small attention span, they easily get distracted, and they have their multiple interest in multiple things. In those cases, moon receiving multiple influence from other planets tend to remain a matter of concern. If you were to ask me, if moon is best comfortable in receiving aspect from any one planet, I would say that is the planet Jupiter. So moon being conjunct with one planet is fine, but if moon is heavily influenced by many planets in the chart, that can actually give you a different kind of personality disorder.